Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to cars. In today's video, we're going to discuss the symptoms of a bad or failing car thermostat and how to identify if it's failing or performing poorly. The thermostat in your car plays a vital role in controlling the engine's temperature. A car thermostat is a component in the engine cooling system that regulates the flow of coolant to the engine. It works by opening and closing a valve that allows coolant to flow through the engine when it reaches a certain temperature. When the engine is cold, the thermostat remains closed, preventing coolant from flowing through the engine. As the engine heats up, the thermostat opens, allowing coolant to circulate and cool the engine. The thermostat helps to maintain a consistent engine temperature, which is important for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. But how do you know if it's failing? Let's dive into the symptoms. 1. Fluctuating temperature gauge. If your car's temperature gauge is constantly moving between hot and cold, it's a clear sign of a thermostat issue. A faulty thermostat can cause the engine temperature to fluctuate, which can be dangerous for your car's performance. 2. Overheating engine. One of the most common symptoms of a bad car thermostat is an overheating engine. If you notice that your engine is running hotter than usual, it could be a sign that your thermostat is not functioning properly. This is a more serious symptom. If your car's engine is frequently overheating, it could be due to a stuck or broken thermostat and should be diagnosed immediately. 3. Poor fuel efficiency. A failing thermostat can cause your engine to work harder, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. When the engine is running too hot or too cold, it can cause the car to use more fuel than necessary, resulting in higher fuel costs. 4. Low coolant levels. Another symptom of a bad car thermostat is low coolant levels. If your coolant levels are constantly low, it could be due to a malfunctioning thermostat that is not properly regulating the engine temperature. 5. Heater not working. Lastly, if you notice that your car's heater is not working properly, it could be due to a bad thermostat. A failing thermostat can prevent the engine from reaching the proper temperature, which can affect the performance of the car's heater. Remember, these are just symptoms. If you notice any of these, it's crucial to get your car checked by a professional. A failing thermostat can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more auto maintenance and DIY tips. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.